Here's a movie theater. Let's check what's playing. Is that Simba or Mufasa or something? It's a Disney title, but I know that Warner Brothers did the sound, post-sound on it. Warner Brothers has always had advanced post-sound facilities. It's like it goes in stages. They invest heavily, like 1 year, or another company won't. So everybody goes to that company where they have the latest gear. And it only takes like 3 years before, equipment starts to get old. 5-7 years, I mean, tops. Those rooms are old by the time they hit 7 years old, because technology advances that quick. So Warner Bros. Has always been really skilled in their sound department, and how they, when they purchase equipment, and how they stagger it. In the know, always in the know what everybody else is doing, so you can kind of try to take advantage of that sweet spot for a couple years. Everybody comes to them. And I was fortunate enough to be involved in building rooms like that. There's a hostel. Alright, we're almost here. And I really appreciate you guys coming on this walk with me. Please like and subscribe. And I'll be here for the next one. Or come with me on the way back. That would be great. Alright, you guys. See you soon.